Looking for the perfect businessy watch? Well, look no further than this blue-dialed Citizen here, featuring their famous light-powered eco-drive movement, a smooth linked bracelet, and harboring an overall classy look. You won't go wrong wearing this one around the office. This is the Citizen AW1770-53L Eco Drive, a 42mm stainless steel solar quartz watch with an exceptional dial. The tried and tested navy blue on stainless steel makes for a sharp look, so this one would go well with your nice button-down shirt, and I bet it'll complement a good suit too. Now let's talk about that dial. It's got a sunburst appearance to it, so depending on the angle of viewing, it's really going to come alive and provide a ton of shine. On that dial, we are presented with a 3-hand complication, plus a small date window at 6 o'clock, along with the Eco Drive logo above that and the Citizen logo at 12. The hour and minute hands include some Lumibright, which is also found in the sharp indices found around the dial. I'm really enjoying the sharp look these markings give off. It's got a real professional vibe to it, and it's nice to have a clean dial with no numbers on it. Now this navy color extends to the bezel, however the texture takes on a matte finish. This bezel is bi-directional, meaning it goes in both directions and unfortunately doesn't click, but that's not really a downfall in my opinion, since it isn't a dive watch and the bezel is mostly cosmetic. So a fully stainless steel build, which of course extends into the bracelet, which is quite nice actually. It includes this seamless clasp, which just adds to the professional look, and it feels quite comfy on the wrist as well. The Eco Drive movement in here will not only be reliable and accurate, but also stress-free, since you'll never have to wind it up, and battery changes are going to be few and far between. An 8-month power reserve will keep this ticking over once it's fully charged, so there's no worries if you leave it in a drawer for a while and forget about it. So anyway, there's a nice Citizen watch. We have just received a massive shipment of new Citizen releases. There's dozens to choose from, so make sure you search the Watch Depot website for more models. Click the link in the description to shop online, and make sure you're subscribed for future watch content. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.